Hello students, this is our Arun. Today let's learn chapter 4 Evolution of Transport. So in this chapter we will learn about the invention of the wheel and beginning of the transport, reaching distant place, trade and voyage, then modern means of transport. So let's discuss one by one. So here invention of the wheel and beginning of transport. The first revolution in transport began with the invention of the wheel. It is believed that the first wheel was made by cutting a round slice from a log of wood and then making a hole in its center. So, this invention made traveling on land much quicker and easier for the early human beings. So, before the invention of the wheel, people were used to carry the things in their shoulder or on the head or by just dragging only. So it was very difficult for them. So reaching distant places. So how the early human beings started reaching the distant places. So water transport has been the popular since ancient time. So the earliest human beings used logs to travel across the rivers. Then they learned to make raft. So gradually they made canoes, boats and ships to sail across the waterways. The next, trade and voyage. So trade means nothing but buying and selling the things. Voyages, a long travel across the sea to discover some new places. It's made by some people. So, in the mid 15th to mid 16th centuries, many European explorers set out to find sea routes to explore new places. These voyages were mostly sponsored by the rulers with an idea of making profit. So, now they have plenty of things to sell and buy, but they need some new places and they need to reach the new place some route. So the people like a king or the leaders, they helped the people those who are going for voyages. So here Prince Henry of Portugal was the first person to begin such voyages. So followed by some explorers. Let's see one by one. So here Bartholomew Dias. In 1488, a Portuguese explorer, Bartholomew Dias, reached the southern tip of Africa. He named it Cape of Storms, as the sea was very rough there and he could not travel further. Later, it was renamed a Cape of Good Hope. So, in 1488, Bartholomew Dias discovered the new place Cape of Good Hope. Then in 1492, an Italian explorer, Christopher Columbus, sailed across the Atlantic Ocean from Spain, hoping to find a new route to India. So, however, instead of reaching India, he reached the continent of America. So, he is known as the man who discovered America. Anyway, he found one new places. In 1947, a Portuguese explorer, Vasco da Gama, sailed from Lisbon, taking the same route as Bartholomew Dias. He reached the Cape of Good Hope and from there he reached Calicut in India. So Calicut is nothing but the present name is Kozhikode. It is located in Kerala. So here Vasco da Gama, he traveled more than 2 years. So when he started traveling, there were around 200 people. Then when he came back, only just 52 or 53 people were left. So it was very difficult voyage for him. Then trade and voyages. Here we are going to study about the Ferdinand Magellan. So between 1519 and 1521, Ferdinand Magellan, another Portuguese explorer, sailed around the world discovering a passage between the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. This passage was named the Strait of Magellan. He also gave Pacific Ocean its name. So now let's go to modern means of transport. So the first one, land transport. In ancient time, people traveled on dusty mud tracks. The roads later evolved from being paved with bricks to the stronger and smooth concrete roads of the present time. Gradually, the development of railways also made traveling and transportation easier and quicker by land transport. So here land transport by using land and by using truck. The truck is used for train. So the first one, the road transport. Road transport means the transportation of goods and people from one place to other on roads. So you know very well nowadays what are the vehicles are running on the road: the bus, lorry, car, van, bike. Different kinds of vehicles are started coming now. So the golden quadrilateral is a highway system which connects four metropolitan cities of India: the Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi, and Kolkata. So golden quadrilateral is the highway system. So it connects all the main cities of India. The rail transport. Rail transport is the one of the fastest modes of land transport that transport people and goods over long distance. So from state to state, from Delhi to Tamil Nadu, from this side West Bengal to Gujarat. So east to west and south to north, we can travel by train to cover the long distance. So materials such as coal, diesel, food grains, fertilizers, and heavy industrial goods are transported to different parts of the country by using train. So in the present time, metro rail is popularly being used to travel within cities. Metro rail has revolutionized the urban transport system in the cities like Kolkata, Delhi, Bangalore, and Mumbai, Kochi, and Chennai. The next transport, water transport. So water transport has always been an important means of transport. So in the present time, boats and motorboats are used to travel short distance in the rivers, lakes, or oceans. For long distance, ships are used to transport passengers and goods by river, sea, or ocean. So passenger ships carry people, cargo ships carry goods, and tanker ships carry petroleum and oil. So India has a long coastline with many major and minor ports. So ports are important for India's international trade. Some of the most important ports of India are Mumbai, Kandla, Kochi, Kolkata, Chennai, and Visakhapatnam. The next one, air transport. It is the fastest means of transport. It is the most popular form of transport as it saves time and is the most convenient means of traveling to far off places. It is expensive to travel by air. Okay, thank you.